TCL TB300K Review, Best Budget Laser Projector for Home Theater Users. Looking for a budget-friendly projector for movies and home entertainment? The TCL TB300K could be interesting, but there are a few things you should check before buying. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The TB300K is marketed as a compact projector for home entertainment, but specifications can vary depending on the region and exact version. So before purchasing, it's important to confirm the native resolution, brightness, connectivity, and smart features of the specific unit you're considering. For a home theater projector, native resolution and real-world brightness are two of the most important factors. A projector may support higher resolution input, but that doesn't necessarily mean it produces a native image at that resolution. Brightness also matters because projectors perform best in darker rooms. Connectivity is another area to consider. Depending on the version, you'll want to check for features such as HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and built-in streaming support. These can make a big difference in how convenient the projector is for everyday use. One potential advantage of the TB300K is its focus on affordable home entertainment. If the specifications are confirmed and the price is competitive, it could make sense for casual movie watching, TV streaming, or occasional gaming. However, I wouldn't recommend buying it, based only on headline claims from a marketplace listing. Make sure the exact model number and specifications are clearly confirmed, especially claims about laser technology, 4K support, and brightness. Overall, the TCL TB300K could be worth considering for budget-conscious buyers, but the key is verifying the exact version before purchasing. If you want guaranteed specifications and stronger home theater performance, a better documented TCL projector may be the safer choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you'd choose this projector.